Living a dignified, independent life is on the top of everyone's list, especially for seniors. Now there's an innovative, cost-efficient alternative to nursing homes and assisted living facilities. PALS, Practical Assisted Living Structures, offers the elderly and physically impaired the ability to remain at home rather than being placed in a nursing home or assisted living facility. Joining me now is Henry Rackey, President and CEO of PALS. Welcome, Henry.
Hi, welcome. Thank you.
What is the number one reason people go into nursing homes?
Well, the government did a study that was published in 2008 that showed the main reason, number one reason that people enter nursing homes is the lack of a first-floor bedroom and handicap facility to stay at home, and that was kind of surprising to me.
Absolutely. Now, I also understand that AARP says the average cost of a nursing home here in Connecticut is $150,000 a year.
That's correct. The study that AARP has done showed that in Connecticut here, $150,000 is about the average cost of a nursing home stay.
So, is this where PALS comes in?
This is where PALS comes in. PALS can be an extremely cost-effective solution to that problem. For a basic PALS unit, which is about $55,000, it could be added to the person's home or the home of a loved one. Someone can come in and stay for about the cost of 4 months in a nursing home.
So how did you come up with this?
It was, we do a lot of home modification and adaptation work. We have a staff of certified age-in-place specialists, which is a program that was developed by the National Home Builders Association and AARP to train builders and designers in developing home units and buildings for elderly and disabled people to age in place. We do a lot of work in the market of aging in place. We were doing a modification work, and after ripping apart a lot of houses to add in first floor bedrooms and bathrooms, we kind of started looking and said, there's got to be a better way of doing this. And it was standing there in front of us all the time because we did a lot of modular work, and we were saying, well, why can't we just add a modular unit on there that has all the facilities? And then we said, well, while we're doing this, why don't we look at this and say, maybe there's an option of taking this away.
We're looking at video right now of one of these structures being, I believe, being transported or actually being placed at a location?
This is a unit being placed in there.
That's a fairly large unit, Henry.
Well, this is a little bit larger unit, and this has some other specialties involved in it. And this is being mounted on a truck and getting ready to get into place.
And basically, what is inside? What's the basic layout?
The basic layout of one of these units is a handicapped bathroom and a handicapped bedroom, which will help people stay at home. So that you'll have the first floor bedroom and bathroom facilities. They're custom designed to meet the needs of the person who is there. Then, if you need to come in, you'll have handicapped bedroom facilities and bathroom facilities. Home care can be brought in, and basically you could stay there virtually throughout the rest of your needs.
And you said it can be customized. What have you added to it that other people have requested?
Well, you can look at the shower facilities. The shower can be a wheelchair accessible shower where the wheelchair can be rolled in, or just the handicap accessible for walkers. The units can have monitoring systems built in where the family member can be monitored, caregivers monitored, pill monitoring, medication monitoring, a whole group of monitoring systems that can be built in as well. As there's no barriers in there. There are no threshold barriers. All the doors are wide enough to handle wheelchairs and wheelchair accessibility, walkers and walker accessibilities. All of the doorknobs are levered handles. The grab bars, the entire structure is braced for grab bars.
You really thought about all the details.
All of the details are in here. All of the units are Energy Star rated. They're all plug and play. All of the HVAC systems are self-contained. The electrical system is self-contained, so the unit can be attached to the house, and then if you choose to have a removable unit, the unit can be removed, refurbished, and resold to someone else who needs it down the road.
And that's a beautiful structure right there attached to the house.
It's attached to the house. It's made to blend into the house, and it is part of the house. And it gives the loved one a feeling of being part of the family, yet there's a door there that they can close and have their own space.
Now, how much land do you need to have, though, to be able to have this?
The basic unit is a 20 by 14, so that's all you need, 20 by
That's
14.
it.
And there are some zoning issues in some cases that have to be addressed, and those are pretty easy to handle. We will handle all of those for anyone who wants those. We take care of all of those issues, handle it soup to nuts, and hand you the key, and all you do is walk in and move right in.
And the cost of this compared to a nursing home again?
The cost of this is about a 3 to 4 month stay in a nursing home. You walk in and you have the unit ready to go. And you take, for example, let's say your mother has a house and she sells the house and she has a $300,000 profit. That's 2 years in a nursing home and it's gone. You buy one of these, attach it for $55,000.
And that's
she's set, and there's an estate left for her to live on comfortably. It gives her an independent life. It gives her a life with dignity. She's home in the safe care of the family. You're part of her care. It gives her a wonderful feeling of safety and independence and dignified life.
And it's comforting to the families as well.
Absolutely. I grew up in a family where my grandmother lived with us until she passed away, and it was the greatest thing in the world to have that. And,
It is.
And we're
I know.
getting that feeling back that multi-generation families are now being accepted again here in the United States, which we had lost that feeling. And it's great to have that again, and that people are looking to bringing their families back together.
How are people responding to this?
We've had wonderful response. We started the public program again, and at the end of July we announced that the program after the prototypes, and we've just had fantastic responses. We're going to be installing 2 next week. We have 3 more on the drawing board, and now obviously we're announcing it here on your program to let people know that this does exist, that this is an alternative to nursing home care. It may not be for everybody, but it is an opportunity to people to examine what they want to do with their loved ones, if they want to keep them at home as opposed to looking towards institutional care. And it is an alternative, and we think it's a really good alternative to look at.
A viable option,
It's a
absolutely.
very
And you're
viable
located
option.
where, Henry?
We are located in Durham and Meriden, Connecticut. We have our offices in both places. We have certified age-in-place specialists that will come out to your house, evaluate your needs, evaluate the needs of the loved one, and design a unit especially for you that will take care of all of those needs. We'll bring it in, make it either a permanent part of the house or a removable unit that you can take back, refurbish, and sell and get part of your investment back.
And the information was just right there on the screen. If you want to call Henry, you can. Actually, there's a toll-free number. What is that toll-free number, Henry?
That toll-free number is
877
771 PALS.
771 PALS.
And you can look at our website, which is www.palsbuilt.com. That'll fill you in. You can listen to some of the people who are living in the PALS unit now. We'd be happy to have you.
And the next time we see you, you're actually going to bring somebody who is living in a unit.
We're going to bring Al Church in, who's been living there for a year. He'll tell you all about how it is to live in the PALS, what it's done for he and his wife, and he's a great guy to give you the first-hand experience.
Terrific. Henry, thank you so much for being here.